Happy Easter, everyone. I decided to come on here and do something a little different this time. It's still going to be a makeup tutorial, but it's gonna be, well, kind of on the fun side. An Easter bunny look. Now you might be wondering, what's an Easter bunny look? Well, you're about to find out. I can't have eyebrows for my Easter bunny look, so I'm gonna have to glue them down. I really hate doing this. Not a fan. Okay, you have to comb your eyebrows up. Gotta start really layering it on. I hate this so much. You have to take packing powder or setting powder and just pack that on there. I feel so sorry for all the people in show business who have to do this every day of their life. There's people who have to do this every day of their life. I'm so sorry. Now, the Easter bunny is usually white. I'm a very tan girl because I'm half Mexican. So I decided to borrow some of my friend Ellie's makeup because she's very fair like the Easter bunny. So I'm going to, let's prime first. It's a crime not to prime. Ben's out there. He better not come through that door. He'll be on camera. We all know he doesn't like being on camera now. Oh my gosh, it's very light. I'm gonna need more. Cover up this brown skin. Keep hearing Ben.
I can turn myself into a ghost.
There's a family outside that's looking in my big window at the front, and they're looking at me doing this, and they're like, what? Before I go to my forehead, which is actually the darkest part of my body, I'm going to use concealer on my brows. We'll see how far this goes, and if it doesn't cover my black brows, then I might try some P. Louise base on them, which is a really heavy eyelid primer. Can you hear him? He's out there. The elusive Ben. Brow game. Man, you can still see him. Those brows. They're a real problem. Oh man, they look even worse up close. You know, I think that's as good as my brows are gonna get, honestly. So I'm gonna go back with my foundation now. I'm gonna go over my forehead. This is the darkest part of me, so it's gonna need a lot of work here. Oh, it finally matches my eyebrows at least. It's so not the right color. It's okay, it's what the Easter bunny would do. Oh. I'm starting to panic. I'm starting to panic if this maybe took a wrong turn somewhere, you know? Did I do the wrong thing? Am I just gonna look scary? I don't want to look like a scary bunny. I want to look like a fun bunny, you know? Like a cool makeup bunny. But I feel like I'm going to end up looking like one of those bunnies that people post about to make you laugh because it's scary and funny at the same time. Okay, the next step is to create, well, first I'm going to sculpt out my face and give myself some blush, and then I'm going to add the bunny hair, okay? So I have my bronzer here. Just gonna add a little bit of sculpting. Oh, that's a lot. Because I'm so light, that's how much I would use on my normal face. Dang it. And then I'm going to use my, I'm using this Shimmery Peach by Milani for blush. Easter bunnies are very like rosy, I feel like. So I'm gonna add like more than I would. Make it a little cartoony. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm starting to look like Helena Bonham Carter. Okay. So now I'm going to take the P. Louise and I'm going to start adding some like hair flare. Hair flare, cool. Before these sections dry, I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm gonna dip it in pure white. And I'm just gonna kind of set it with that where those hairs are. Ooh, okay. Oh, this is making my eyes tickle. Ah! Ah! There's a spot if you touch it with this brush that it will make your eye duct, like tickle like the living daylights. I don't like that. Ah, I hit it again. Oh my gosh. You guys have to try that and tell me if it works on you too. I'm scared to hit it. It's right there. Ah. Okay, I think I need some like down here. Okay, and then the whole reason that I covered my eyebrows up, let's hope this works, is to do hairs on that go out like this, like a bunny's. Okay, please work.
Needs sharpening.
Now for my eyelashes, or my eyelids. I think I'm gonna do pink, cause, you know, Easter bunnies are pink and crap, so I'm gonna do some pink eyelashes. Some of my Jeffree Star Morphe palette, and I'm going to go into Self-Made, this lovely bright pink here. I take that back. I'm going into the color back first. Gotta keep it light, you know. Can't go too bright. This is a slow building process. We're gonna go in with back.
I'm gonna build this color up. I'm gonna build it up, you know. There's not even really building anything up right here. It's been complected. Like, how colors already there? Not gonna take immediately.
All right, now I'm going into Self-Made. Woo! She's there. Hello. I think I want to add some purple because, you know, these two colors. Okay, blend it out. Oh my gosh, there is something in my eye. Okay. Always go back and pack on the original color. I still feel like I have something in my eye. God. Take back, go back to back, back to back. And I'm going to blend those edges out because I can. I don't have any eyebrows. Hello, Jeffree Star. And man, there's this really vibrant silver in this pack that I think would be really pretty right on the lid. This is the color I'm putting on. It's like the Tin Man. What's it called? Custom Rim. I'll give you a close up here. Give you a close up of my real bad brows. Okay, now it's time to put on some eyeliner and mascara because I'm a girl bunny, so that's what I'm gonna do. Do we need gems? I think we do. Oh, yes. I love this eyelash glue. I hope it never runs out. It's called Baddington. Hey, Baddington, what's up? I love you. Oh, yes. You guys, I have accessories. Take this off. Now, I didn't think that the black hair was a good bunny look, so I brought out, I have tons of props, you guys. Like I have half my closet is costumes. So I have this blonde wig. It's actually an Elsa wig. Oh gosh. Okay. Because, I mean, if a bunny is gonna have hair, she's gonna have, like, white hair, so. Okay, so that's my hair. I made these. Oh no! The ears come together. I'm gonna have to fix them. These hairs. Right. Okay, so the ears come. Okay, they're actually on Mickey Mouse ears. Oh, they don't touch. Good, perfect. Now, I have a vest because bunnies wear vests. Forget about this. Oh, and I have a hair clip because my bunny is stylish and likes pearls because pearls are like super Eastery, you know? And finally, what's an Easter bunny without a big old bow? I can put on my, it's fixing spray, but it has tons of glitter in it. I love glitter. Oh, yes. Can you see the glitter? What about now? Oh, I can see the glitter. There's one more thing I have to put on to complete this Easter look. With holograph teeth. Okay, eyelash glue. Here we go. Plan B. And hold. Ben's coming. Here it is. This is my look, but Ben is coming, so hold on. Come on in. Come on in. What do you think?
You look like a rabbit.
Do I look like the Easter Bunny?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Looks good.
What besides looks good do you think about it? It reminds you of our past bunny that we used to have. Does it remind you of the bunnies that you used to go see at the mall? That's what I was going for.
Why are you wearing a wig?
Because Easter bunnies don't have brown hair.
Do they have blonde hair?
I mean, I feel like they would have blonde hair over brown or black hair. Well, you guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video of me transforming into the Easter rabbit. Until next time, happy Easter.